Alright guys, we're here at Menards, here in Dickinson, North Dakota. Look what we have here. Oh gosh. Gosh, that's really annoying. Oh. That sounded terrible. Gosh, what the heck is up with this ceiling? But yeah, this thing is terrible, to be honest. Nice. It sounds like a cow. I don't know. It's just so annoying. Anyway, this is the indicator. 4,500 pounds capacity. Innovation universal buttons. Oh gosh. Dixon Menards, you may be tied with West Burlington Menards. It's the worst door operator. And there it goes. And I guess, sorry. And I guess that is going to be it for me.